When the vacation dates you want aren't available, turn to your resort waitlist. You can submit a waitlist request by logging into your account at WorldMarkByWyndham.com. Head to the resort section, then search for the destination you have in mind. Once you find the right resort, tap the link to view monthly availability. This is where you'll see the booking calendar. If there's no availability for your preferred dates, select the option to join the waitlist. Some information will already be filled in for you. Double check that the email address is correct. This is how we'll contact you if a suite opens up. Next, select the dates you're open to traveling. Pick what type of suite you'd like, including your first and second choice. Finally, mark the minimum and maximum number of nights you'd like to stay. When your form is complete, tap the link to make your waitlist request. If a match becomes available, you'll be notified by email. After that, you'll have 48 hours to either confirm or decline the reservation. Submit a waitlist request today at WorldMarkByWyndham.com.